rainforest now.
Daddy, look it!
Yep, there it is. Yeah, right here. There's another one over there. And look out, there's two more of those other ones. Over there, Farrah.
Wow. Let's try to find the sloth.
When we were all the way up here.
You turn.
Go see the sharks? The big sharks? Oh, wait.
We gotta find the sloth. It couldn't have gotten far.
We'll find it.
Did you hear that?
I heard it.
The turtles! Turtles! Hi!
There may be that over there.
What? Where?
See the tail hanging in the tree?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow, look at the turtle. Here, I'll put it in your bag and I'll show you.
Okay, let's go.
There's a monkey in the tree.
It's a tamarin.
Girls, I found that slime.
Yeah. Look in the tree. Straight in that. See the tail hanging down? Right at the top.
Yes. I see it. I know what it is.
This guy. And that guy. Look in the tree. Straight ahead. Straight over there. See a tail hanging down? See a brown tail hanging down?
We don't see the sloth.
Go ahead, Mark. Did you see it?
Where's the sloth?
Okay. I'll take a look. Great.
Where is
Thank
it?
you. It's down by the waterfall. Whoa!
There he goes.
Get off. You're not allowed to climb up there.
Dad, we might be able to see the turtle.
Just blocked off, buddy.
What?
You can't get out that far, yeah.
No, we can only go in one room.
Yeah.
No, that I don't think that's
Let's go, Bill.
What's that?
Yeah, you're right.
I don't see him. Dad, I don't see him. Dad, I need help finding the tarantula.
Okay. Stay with me there, right here. Right here.
Okay, so here's one of our swamps up there in that small. So about where I am. So you're looking for, to the left of the waterfall, there's a small tree that starts up on top of the ledge. And if you follow that tree up maybe about 10 feet and look off to the left a little bit, you should see a big swirly fur ball. Right, it's going to be about half blonde and half dark. So that is one of our 3 two-toed sloths taking a nap upside down. So on ours, for the most part, their body is blonde and their legs are dark. So we can see she's upside down.
Really?
And they usually, when they're sleeping, they don't stretch out. They usually get all 4 feet together and tuck the head in.
Leah, you want to see a sloth? Look at.
Oh, she just moved the leg. She is moving.
Look up.
So one of our 3 two-toed sloths is up here above the waterfall, and she's starting to move a little bit.
Look up. Good. Flat. Look at.
Yeah, you'll definitely want to see this. We don't catch them moving that often. This is worth seeing. Yeah. Okay, so if you look at, there's a little tree to the left of the